In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in OneNote. First, let's begin by opening OneNote. You can find the application on your desktop or through your Start menu. Once you've located it, go ahead and double-click the icon to launch the program. As the application opens, you'll see your notebooks on the left side, along with your recent pages. This initial step is essential because it sets the stage for all the changes you will make. If you don't have OneNote open, you won't be able to proceed with changing the language settings. Once OneNote is open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You will see the menu bar. Click on the File tab. This action takes you to the Backstage view in OneNote, where you can access various options related to your account and the application settings. Navigating to the File tab is crucial because it provides you with access to the Options menu, where the language settings are located. Once you click on it, you will see a list of options appear on the left side. From there, you will want to select Options at the bottom of the list. This will open the OneNote Options dialog box, which contains multiple customizable settings for your application. It's important to be in this menu because it allows you to tailor your OneNote experience to your preferred language. Once you click on Options, you will notice several categories on the left side of the dialog box. Next up, click on Language in the Options menu. This section allows you to manage the languages used in OneNote for both display and editing. Here, you'll see options for setting the Office display language and the editing language. Understanding this step is key because it directly impacts how you interact with the program. With the language settings open, you are closer to making OneNote work in your preferred language. Under Office Display Language, you will see a drop-down menu. Here you can select the language you want. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal the list of available languages. As you scroll through, you may find languages that best suit your needs. Selecting the correct language is crucial because it changes how menus and interface elements are displayed. This ensures that you can navigate OneNote comfortably. Once you've chosen your desired language, click on Set as Preferred. This action confirms your choice and sets that language as the default for the OneNote interface. It's important to remember that this step solidifies your language preference. You will notice that the dialog box may update to reflect your selection. This confirmation reinforces that your changes are being saved and will take effect. If the language you want isn't listed in the drop-down menu, don't worry. Click on Add a language to include it in your options. This is an important step because it allows for flexibility. You can expand the choices available to you based on your needs. When you click this option, a new window will pop up displaying additional languages. You can find the language you want and add it to your list. Now it's time to restart OneNote. Close the application completely and then reopen it. Restarting OneNote is essential because it ensures that your new language settings take effect. When you launch OneNote again, you should see the interface in the language you selected. This final step is reassuring as it confirms that all your efforts to change the language have been successful. You have now completed the process of changing the language in OneNote. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your user experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy using OneNote in your preferred language.